Hello students, I am going to start chapter 3rd, that is Understanding Quadrilaterals. Students, open your book and look at introduction part. You know that the paper is a model for a plane surface. So students, underline this. Paper is a model for a plane surface. Clear? You have to underline this. When you join a number of points without lifting a pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion of the drawing other than single points, you get a plane curve. So students, what is plane curve? Plane curve means you join a number of points without lifting a pencil from the paper and without retracing any portion. Students, look, if we draw like this is plane curve because we draw this figure without lift pencil and without retracing any portion. When we write N, this is plane curve because we draw this N without lifting pencil and without retracing any portion. So these are plane curve. For example, these are plane curve. So these figures are plane curve. Students, now we will discuss about open curve and closed curve. If we draw like this is open curve, and like this is open curve. Again, like this is open curve. And closed curve, when we draw like this is closed curve. Like this is closed curve. Like this is closed curve. So students, these are open curve and these are closed curves. Look, open curve means a curve that does not end at the starting point is called an open curve. This is starting point and this is ending point. And starting point and ending point do not meet at same point. Same starting point and ending point do not meet at same point. Same starting point and ending point do not meet at same point. And closed curve means that begins and ends at the same point is called a closed curve. Look at, this is starting point and when we draw this is ending point and they meet at same points. Same starting points when we draw from here, so this is starting point and ending point, they meet at same point. Same starting point and ending point, they meet at same point. So these are closed curves and these are open curves. Students, now we will understand what is simple closed curve. Look at here, these are closed curve, but this figure and this figure is not simple closed curve because in this figure this line intersect to each other. Clear? And in this figure lines intersect to each other. But this figure and in this figure and this figure, the lines do not intersect to each other. So we can say that a closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. So we can say that this figure and this figure are simple closed curve, but this is not simple closed curve and this is not simple closed curve. Students, look at here. Match the following. There are some figures and types. So we match first figure is matched with simple curve that is not closed. So you can see that this is simple curve but that is not closed. Second is not a simple curve because it intersects itself. Third, this is simple closed curve because its starting and ending points will be same. Next, this is a closed curve but that is not simple because in this figure line intersect to each other. So students, you have to do this matching in your textbook. Clear? You have to do in your textbook, not in your notebook. Students, now we will understand what is polygons. So polygons are simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. A simple closed curve means a closed curve which does not intersect itself is called a simple closed curve. There are some curves that are polygons. Look at here. These figures are made up of only line segment. Clear? These made up of only line segment and this curve does not intersect itself. So that are polygons. But curves that are not polygons, these are not polygons because they intersect itself and this is not closed. So these curves are not polygons. So we can say a simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Each straight line in a polygon is called its sides. So how many sides in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides means 4 line segment means 4 sides. Same 4 sides in these curves. Now classification of polygons. We will classify polygons according to the number of sides or vertices they have. So sides means straight line in polygon, or vertices means the point where two lines meet. Clear? Look at here in this is side 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and vertices means 1, 2, 3. So 3 lines or 3 vertices means 3 sides and 3 vertices in this figure. So we can say that side means straight line and vertices means corner of polygons. So number of sides or vertices are 3. So this is a triangle. How many sides in this figure? 4 sides. So number of sides is 4. So this is quadrilateral. Next, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many sides? 5. 5 sides means this is pentagon. If number of side is 6, then it is hexagon. Number of side is 7, that it is heptagon. Number of side is 8, that it is octagon. Number of side is 9, so this is nonagon. If number of sides is 10, so it is decagon. We can say that a polygon is called a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon, according as it contains 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, 7 sides, 8 sides, 9 sides and 10 sides respectively. Students, we will study about diagonals, types of polygons and angle sum property in my next video. Thank you.